This is a story about clean water for the Everglades. Clean water in just the right amount, at just the right time, in just the right place.
We are preserving the Everglades by checking that the water that it's clean and it meets the requirements that we are asked to maintain.
Where should the water go? Is there enough for wildlife and millions of people? How clean is it? Water quality monitoring provides the critical data for South Florida Water Management District engineers, scientists, and water managers to answer these questions. Data. It's the key to making the decisions that are restoring the Everglades and safeguarding South Florida's environment and water resources.
Basically, this water that we are collecting is going to get put on each respective bottle, and those bottles are going to the lab, and there they're going to do tests to determine turbidity, total nitrogen, total phosphorus, alkalinity, dissolved organic carbon, test for metals.
One of the key components in the wetland, we believe, is the action of the microbial and algal communities in the wetlands. So scientists here are investigating a lot of the components within the wetland to try to understand what's happening within this STA, which is, a very big freshwater wetland, and what is happening to cause the phosphorus to come to such low concentrations at the outflow.
All of the science gathered from strategic sites across South Florida brings us back to making sound decisions about our water. Science, data, decisions. They are the guiding principles that provide the public with knowledge about their environment and the understanding needed by the governing board to make informed decisions.
The objective of sending as much water south as possible needs to be balanced with the quality of the water that we're sending south.